guys, my name is Bodie. Today we're going to be making chia seed pudding. So all we're going to need are chia seeds, some fruits, milk, unsweetened milk, almond milk, and then 1 teaspoon of maple syrup and 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. So first you're going to put in the seeds. Okay, so you're gonna need to use measuring spoons, and you're gonna do 3 tablespoons. And then we're gonna put in milk. And then we're gonna put in maple syrup, 1 teaspoon. And then you're gonna use 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. Then we're gonna mix it. And then you're gonna just let this sit overnight, and then you can add some toppings, and then you can eat it and leave it in the refrigerator. Okay, so this one I just refrigerated overnight. So we're gonna put on some toppings, and I pre-cutted these off camera: strawberries, and I have some blueberries, and then you're gonna want almonds. You can have this if you want to, but I just like this. So you're gonna put the berries in. I'm gonna crush it down a little. And then we put in some almonds. And there you go. That's it for this video. And stay tuned for more cooking videos. Bye.